How to return Temu items without shipping. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can return Temu items without shipping, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to return Temu items without shipping, all you have to do is just go to temu.com, make sure to log into your account. Maybe you received a product and then you no longer want to use that product, you want to refund it, but you don't want to ship it. Well, that's not possible. You have to ship it. If Temu asks you to ship it properly, you have to submit them to your warehouse. Now, in order to do this process, what you have to do is click the profile icon over here, and then first of all, just go to your orders. Once you go to your orders, you should be able to see a list of orders you've made, and then you'll find the return or refund button right over here next to the order. So go to all orders, select the order you would like to cancel. You'll find the return and refund option. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and then you should be able to return or Temu items that you've ordered. So hope this video helps you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.